Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, you must be thinking, why am I in the washroom? I'm in the washroom because I just styled my hair with the new Shark FlexStyle, and I will be giving you my reviews about this product. Guys, I got this product from Costco. Yes, Costco made me buy this product. I saw it on the shelf and I was like, oh my god, let's buy this because it's half the price of Dyson Airwrap, and we'll see whether this one is any better, whether it is worth it or not, because it's still more than $350. It's not $700, $800 like Dyson Airwrap is. You will see me unboxing this Shark FlexStyle. This is a styling tool from Shark. Yeah, let's check out and see what comes in the box. All right, so guys, this is the Shark FlexStyle that we will be unboxing together today in this video. So let's open this box. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and open this. Welcome to Shark Beauty. Change the way you curl. Perfect. Okay, so they have just given all this manual. All right, here's the styling guide, how it works. Everything is written in this manual. Okay, we got quite a bit of stuff. Let's open one by one. So this is a white tooth comb. Stretch lengthens from roots to ends. Let's check out the main product. So this is the main styling wand. Rotates very easily. That's pretty handy. Love the color, like the first impression. I love the color. Pretty long wand. Let's see what's written here. Danger, keep away from water. Okay, we can't use this near water at all. Shark logo right here. Here are the brushes. All right, so we got 3 different combs. So the first one is an oval brush. The second one is the round brush. The third one is a pedal brush. Oval brush smooths and defrizzes, add volume and bounce. Same thing with round brush, defrizzes, add volume and bounce. Third one straightens and smooth all at once. The pedal brush, I want volume, so I will probably be using the oval brush. Okay, so the round brush, the small one, is best for bangs, short and medium length hair. That's what they advise. Now let's see what else they have in this box. Okay, so they got this big thing which is called Curl Defining Diffuser. So this is a fast, even drying from root to tip. So you just have to attach this, and yeah, helps to dry your thicker, long hair faster. And these are the barrels. Looks very similar than Dyson, but we'll see if it works like Dyson too. The last item is this one, and that is styling concentrator. Style and dry at the same time. Rotates for easy styling. I don't know if I'll be using this one. Okay, out of all the attachments, I want these 2 barrels, and I want to give bounce, so I will be using the oval brush, or I can use the round brush. We'll see. So that's it, guys. That was it in the box. There's nothing else. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Those are the items that comes with the Shark FlexStyle. And now I will show you how I style my hair like this and whether it's worth it or not. All right, guys, so I just came out from the shower, got ready, and now I'm just gonna dry my hair and style my hair with this Shark styler. Pretty long. The Dyson one is also like this long, but the good part for this one is that you can just use this clip and you can just fold this dryer. So first I'm gonna dry my hair, not with these barrels. I'm just gonna use this wide comb first. Okay. First of all, the heat is so strong, like it's quite hot. I think Dyson is not that hot. And this white brush is not working out, so I'm gonna change this. And I'm just gonna apply this oval brush. So this is the on button. And I can just reduce the heat setting. Okay, there should be a way that I can just dry my hair instead of using this brush, because this brush breaks my hair quite a bit. I have the same Revlon brush. It breaks my hair quite a bit. Now let me try without any head, if it can dry my hair. I'll just use the cold setting. I like the dryer, it's quite fast. The cold shot, you can give the cold shot here. You keep on pressing this button and then the heat won't be that strong. All right, now my hair almost dry, but I will have to use this comb again so that I can just straighten my hair a little bit from the bottom, and then we'll use the barrel to curl it. Okay, so like I said, this brush breaks my hair quite a bit. I don't know if you can see it. With Dyson, I think the breakage is not that much. Their brush is pretty smooth. This kind of brush, it breaks your hair. Check this out. So that's not good. Okay, my hair are dry. It's like 80% dry. That's good. And now we'll just curl it. Now I'm gonna use the styling wand and then I'll curl my hair. So let's do it. First I will part my top hair. And now we'll just take the section, put it at the front. We will take this, there's a clip right here, press it and then take the attachment out. Now we'll do right first. It's written right here. So this is for the right side and it will wrap the hair like this. And let's do it. I'm giving the cold shot now. That's what we do with Dyson too. It's the same thing. Hot shot and then the cold shot. Okay, I'm gonna release. Let's see. Ooh, check this out. Nice. Same like Dyson. Now let's do it again. By the way, I am styling the hair on the second setting. So there are like 3 heat settings. 1, 2, 3. So I'm doing it on the second setting. Okay. The only reason why I returned Dyson was it used to curl my hair obviously pretty nicely, just like this, but it didn't used to last. So that's why I returned Dyson. But we'll see how long will this last. Doing the left side now. Changed it to the left, turn it on. Just FYI guys, I'm using this one after a really long time. Like I used Dyson years ago, 4 years ago actually. As you can see, my hair are already opening up. That's fine. Let's just do the entire thing first. Then we'll talk about it, if it's worth it or not. Parted my top section into half, right and left. So we're gonna do the right side first. I'm gonna just take out this wand again, put the right wand. Now let's begin. See, it just curls so beautifully and then it just opens. And I don't want to use the full setting because then it'll be the same thing. Like I'm using too much heat to style my hair and it's equivalent to using a hair curling wand or a straightener. Check this out. Like even this one was similar like this and this is already opened. The top hair, now I'm going to use the full setting just to see if it will last long or not. Too hot. Using the cold shot now. Okay, this one I used it at the full heat setting. We'll see if it lasts long or not. This is too much heat guys. The third setting, it's too much heat. I know it'll damage your hair if you keep it too long. Okay, so one side is done. As you can see, The bottom one is already opening up. If the styling stay like this, feels like you just had a nice blowout. I don't want to put a hairspray, to be honest, because I want to show you how it looks without any extra product. So I'm just gonna keep my hair like this naturally. Okay, now let's style this side. By the way, I badly need a color this time. I'm gonna get dark color, I won't get light. Though my husband loves light color hair on myself, but I want to go dark. Oh my god, shit. So on the third setting, it was so hot that the heat just burned my ear because my earring got so hot. Imagine, it just made the gold metal so hot that what damage it would be doing to my hair. Last bit. All right, it's all done now. This side, as you can see, I just finished doing it, so the curls are still there. This one is already opening up. Show you from the back. Looks quite pretty, but I know this will not last. This will not last unless I put hairspray on, I use quite a bit of product. Only then this blowout look will last on my hair, and my hair are fine. If you think that you should choose Shark or Dyson, you know, to give less heat damage to your hair, I don't think so. It's true, because you have to use really hot heat in order for your curls to last. It's really impossible on my hair. You will see after a few hours. I will show you guys. Now let's go talk. All right guys, so final thought. It was styling so nicely, so beautifully. The curls were like so full, and it's only been 5 or 10 minutes. That's about it. My curls are already opening up. I hated the thing about Dyson as well. That's why I returned Dyson. I bought Dyson 4 years ago when they just launched the Airwrap, and I styled it. I kept it for like whole month. It just didn't work out. I tried everything and I used the products. Even my curls used to last longer if I use the products, but if I do not use the products, then the curls will just open like this. Check this out. Earlier it was so full, and now check this side. Just within few minutes, literally not even 1 hour, they just don't last. This thing doesn't last. So what is the point of buying a Dyson Airwrap or like this Shark Flex when it won't last? This air wrapping technology, I don't think so it will last on your fine hair or thin hair. They might last on thick hair, but yeah, not on my hair type, like thin hair, not at all. Yeah, you can see I used the highest setting. The top hair, I styled it with the highest heat setting. I gave the cold shot, and you can see the curls came out so beautifully, and right after a few minutes the curls are opened. Nothing. So from my personal experience, I don't want to have any Dyson or Shark on my hair type especially. And if there's any girl out there who thinks that, okay, we should get Dyson or we should get Shark because it's all over the internet, every influencer is promoting it. It is so expensive. Like I said, I returned it earlier. I bought it for my wedding because I was like, oh, I should get this because it gives less heat damage. It doesn't style your hair without the highest setting, and the highest setting is equivalent to the hot tool that you might be using, like a hair straightener or a hot wand. You're just using the same temperature kind of thing to style your hair. This one, it doesn't even last. So what's the point? Just check this out. Like, what do I do with this? It's just a little bit of waves. Unfortunately, I'll be returning this one too. I don't want to keep this just for the dryer. I am looking for a good dryer, but I don't want to pay $350 for a dryer. No, that's the Shark thing. You must be seeing, like, you know, many influencers are using this one. They probably have thicker hair, I think. That's why if they curl, it will last on them. And on my hair type, like fine hair, believe me, it doesn't last at all. Like, what is this? I do not like to use any like extra products on my hair. I like to keep it like natural, even if I'm just styling with a hot tool like a wand, curling wand, or my hair straightener. it will last more than this. This one only lasted like 10 minutes and you waste so much time. I can just style my hair with the straightener in 5 minutes. This one takes more than 5 minutes for sure, so that's also a downside. Sorry if this video seems like I'm just cribbing about Dyson and Shark, but I'm just giving you my honest review, guys. If you have fine, thin hair, do not waste your money on such tools. Try it out, you can return it. I got this one from Costco. I will be returning. Even Dyson, I kept it for 1 month. Tried it, I wanted to love it so bad, but it did not work. Also, if I compare Dyson and Shark, they got the same technology, like the Airwrap technology is the same. The only difference I see is the other attachments, like they got these ones. Dyson has different attachments. I find Dyson more nicer because they break your hair less. This one breaks your hair quite a bit. When I used to use the Dyson other attachments other than the Airwrap, it was better for sure, better than this one. So I might get Dyson one day only for those attachments, not for the Airwrap. I know I cannot curl my hair with the Airwrap at all. It just gives you voluminous hair for the time being. It doesn't last long. So for curling, I will be sticking on to my curling wand or my straightener. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my honest review, my review about Shark. Yeah, my verdict is I will be returning this because I am disappointed. Did not work on my hair type, and I don't know like how people are getting voluminous hair. Probably they're putting too much product, that's why it's lasting. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked my content, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. It would really motivate me and help me making more content like this, more raw content. I'm just making this video in my washroom. I'm like, I should just go ahead and shoot the video and tell you my honest review about the Shark styling tool, hot tool. I make daily vlogs as well on my other channel with my husband, and it's in Hindi. So if you understand Hindi, definitely check out that channel. The channel name is Piyanshu and Kirat, and you can also follow me on Instagram for live updates. My Instagram handle is this, Kirat Gil Sharma. Thank you so much. Thank you for always supporting me. Whoever watches my videos, it means a lot to me. Yeah, I will see you around. See you in the next video. Bye bye.